Hi, I'm John Black. I am the quality manager, regulatory guy, and IT person here at Donson Machine. We've been working with 2W since I got involved here at Donson. Having all of our eggs in the 2W basket works nicely because everything gets integrated then. The network stuff, the cybersecurity, obviously, the Epicor, everything's kept in the same realm. So there's no conflicts with different people managing different parts of the organization. I'm not a fan of that in any way, and with 2W I don't have to worry about that because it's the one stop. I drop a ticket in and whatever the issue is, it gets addressed. The managed services handle what I call the heavy lifting. So if it's something they've shown me how to do or it's a quick fix, I'll take care of those myself. When we get into things like the firewall, I'd much prefer to trust the 2W tech guys. Whether if it's an emergency, they get on it right away. If it's something where I don't need them to drop what they're doing, they understand that, and they always get it resolved. There's always a resolution to the issue. We also switched to 2W as our Epicor partner. We liked the philosophy of the organization and moved into them for that support, as well as we upgraded to a new version of Epicor. And that knowledge base and tech help has been unquestionably good. We recently started working with the cybersecurity tech team and just kind of upgrading all of our behind-the-scenes Microsoft security settings. We've been able to raise our score from, I think, sub 50 to more recently we just pushed over the 75% range with the Microsoft Defender score. So the team at 2W has really gotten us square with the cybersecurity without a whole lot of impingements on function. They've just been a really helpful team, really responsive.